I got this Salmon Milano from Costco. We cooked it up with some lemon juice and honey. Also adding a little bit of soy sauce. Doesn't that basil pesto butter look bomb? Ugh. I made crunchy broccoli as a side. I did olive oil, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, plus garlic. You cook it at 400 degrees with the salmon for 25-ish minutes. Next, I sauteed some spinach in coconut oil and garlic. I bought this big ass bucket of spinach, so thought we could use some of it. Add about a capful of your dollar store lemon juice. I also had these mushrooms in the fridge, they need to be cooked, so they're going in too. This is what it looks like when everything is done. Cook the salmon and broccoli for about 25 minutes. The spinach and mushrooms for 5-ish. I love this meal because it was fast, easy, and healthy. Please like and follow for more videos.